In today's video, I will walk you through how to edit font size in MT5. To get started, open MetaTrader 5 and log into your account. Once you're signed in, open any chart. When the chart is visible, right-click anywhere on the chart. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click on Properties. The Chart Properties window will open. At the top of this window, you'll see several tabs. Make sure you're on the Common tab. After selecting the Common tab, look toward the lower section of the window. You'll find the scale options. The setting you'll be adjusting is called Scale Points per Bar. This setting changes the way the price increments are displayed on the chart. If you choose a lower value, the chart will display a more granular view of the price increments. If you choose a higher value, the chart will display a less granular view. To make your adjustment, select the value you want to use for scale points per bar. You can try a lower value if you want a more detailed view, or a higher value if you want the chart to display fewer price increments. After choosing your preferred value, review the setting to make sure it's the one you want to apply. Once you're ready, click OK. The chart will immediately update using the new scale settings. Take a look at the chart after the change has been applied. Although the font size itself has not changed, the way the values are displayed may now be easier to view depending on the scale setting you selected. If the result isn't quite what you're looking for, you can repeat the same process. Right-click anywhere on the chart again, select Properties, stay on the Common tab. Return to the Scale Points per Bar setting and choose a different value. Click OK once more to apply the updated setting. You can continue adjusting this setting until you find the view that works best for your chart. At the moment, this is the available way to optimize how the chart text and price values are displayed. Since MetaTrader 5 does not provide a direct option to edit the font size for the X and Y axis values, that's all you need to do. If you need additional help with MetaTrader 5, you can contact the support team through their available support channels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.